All right, welcome back to my channel. And as we know, I have this lovely table that has been working out great for me, except for one thing where the material has now become so large and some of them have become quite heavy, like this 3/8 aluminum, that is kind of unwieldy for one person to do it. It's at least a two-person job, but I believe I have everything I need to remedy this problem. I just haven't gotten around to do it. So now is the time. There is an I-beam up there, you can see. And right next to it is a ceiling winch. Somewhere up there, there is a trolley. And the plan is to mount it on this beam. So nothing like the present and make like the wind, and let's get this done. This is as far as I'm probably gonna be able to get today. I'm just missing end caps to stop the trolley from sliding to the very end, but beyond that, I'm probably gonna need one more person to safely get this up here. So, be back in a few days. All right, it's the next morning, and hopefully we can get this thing finished or prepped for install finally, because I still have these end caps to weld on so the trolley doesn't slide off. And I'm realizing I don't really have the best way to mount this yet, and realizing this Harbor Freight trolley I bought was probably not the best trolley to buy, because Amazon sells one of the trolley that works with the winch I have. So I think I'm gonna have to make some custom mounts so this winch can be mounted onto that trolley. So let's see how far I get with this. All right, I got a few things done. We got this mounted with this surprise guest by a friend. And we also concluded that this might be the best way to mount the trolley to the winch. So I turned a solid bar down that I had, put a 26mm hole inside so the pin would fit. And now I'm just waiting for it to cool off, and then we can bolt it all together and finally get it up in the air. So stay tuned. All right, I think I can call this a wrap. I got this all finished up for the most part. I will make a modification and rotate the way the winch is mounted, because earlier in the video, I don't know if you saw, but this thing liked to tip this way. And when it's loaded, especially when you pull really hard or lift something really heavy, it would probably like to tip the other way because the winch line is not centered with the load or to the center of the trolley. So I'm gonna flip that really quick, but that is gonna be a wrap for this video.